Hey everyone! So today we're going to make a clock. This is a wood round that I picked up at Michael's. I did give it a coat of black acrylic paint. I put some parchment. I did seal the hole with painter's tape. Sealed that off and put some parchment paper on. And I like to use electrical tape around the edges because this will get resined and it's so much easier to get it off when you're using electrical tape. So I'm going to be using some leftover paints. I have Nate's Stormy Weather, Silver Spoon, Moody Blue Shimmer, Black, and Snow White. And I'm going to put a drop of silicone in two colors. And that will be the Moody Blue and Nate's. This is the PBO silicone. And all of these are in my Amazon shop as well as Jerry's Artorama. So let me go ahead and mix that in. So I'm just going to do a flip cup. I'm going to let the paint go down in the hole so it fills up. So when I tilt, we don't get anything wonky. You can plug the hole up, but I don't. I just drill it out after I resin it anyway. So let's put some Snow White in there. I always want to say snowy white. We'll go with Nate's Stormy Weather. And then I'm going to follow that. I think I'll follow that with black. And then some Silver Spoon. This is our Moody Blue Shimmer. Go back to white. And then Nate's Stormy Weather. Black. Silver. And Moody Blue. This is just going to be a flip cup, so I don't want to swirl. So I have plenty of paint here. Now this paint mix is my paint mix, but I did add some PBO pouring medium to it because I wanted to see if it would dry faster and be shinier, but I did do it on some ornaments earlier today and it's not as shiny as if you use the straight up PBO. So this should be interesting to see how long this takes to dry. So I'm going to go ahead and flip. I did not spray the cup because I didn't want any additional silicone. So we get plenty. With the PBO silicone, we get plenty of cells. I am going to give it just a quick torch to get those bubbles. And we're going to tilt. Lost my white though, didn't I? So you can see the transparencies of the Snow White. I have a caterpillar over here. We're going to get rid of him. Actually, I've got quite a few caterpillars starting. I think I have everything covered. So I'm going to torch this and then we're going to wait 10 minutes to see what happens. want that hole to stay full of paint. So tomorrow, after this sets up, I will go under and poke and see if there's any wet paint in there that needs to come out. So let's let this set 10 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I don't see a ton of change, but I do see some more cells. Not a lot. I actually like this. It's very masculine. It's not foo-foo. It looks like you're underwater looking up over a wave, and the little bit of brightness here, the light. It's kind of cool, actually. Let me see if I can pop it off these cups, because it's pretty stuck. And I'll give you a close-up. It's being a little stubborn on me. There we go. Oh. There we go. A lot of caterpillars. And that's when you put your silicone in right before you pour. That usually happens. But I really like it. So I'm going to leave that right where it's at. And see if those bubbles continue to pop. There's just a few here. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Click on that bell on all notifications, and that way you get a little notification when we put a new video up. Click like and share. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you see. Everybody sees something, usually. I'm not one of those. But check out our Amazon shop for the PBO medium, the silicone, all your paint pouring supplies, torches, the trays, the pads. We have it all. Cups, everything, stir sticks, anything you need to pour is in my Amazon shop. Doesn't cost you any extra money to shop with me. I make a few pennies off your purchases, and we buy supplies for the studio, and we make these great videos for you. Also check out Stone Coat Countertops epoxy website and YouTube channel. This will see resin because it's a clock, and I will make sure that gets resined. But if you use our code POSSE, P-O-S-S-E, at checkout, you'll get $10 off a $95 order. So check out all those links below and subscribe, and we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.